So Tushar, it's a Ducati 959. So one thing we wanted to know that what is the most favorite thing, most wow thing about this bike which you really love?
I'll not speak. I'll rather show it to you.
Whoa. हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द स्टोरी बिहाइंड व्हील्स। और आज हमारे साथ Ducati 959 पानीगाले के ओनर हैं, हु इज़ अ डॉक्टर एंड ही विल बी शेयरिंग विद अस दैट व्हाट ही लव्स अबाउट दिस लवली मशीन, व्हाट ही डजंट लव एंड फाइनली हिज वर्डिक्ट। एंड ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट आपको देखने हैं तो डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल स्टोरी बिहाइंड व्हील्स। सो तुषार, वेलकम टू द शो।
Thanks, man.
तुषार, प्लेजर होस्टिंग यू एंड
my
थैंक यू
pleasure.
सो मच फॉर टेकिंग आउट टाइम। अंडरस्टैंड कि
Sure,
आपके भी अपने कमिटमेंट होंगे। सो तुषार, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो हमारे व्यूअर्स आपसे जानना चाहेंगे दैट इट्स अ क्रेजी डिसीजन। बहुत लोगों को लगेगा कि 20-25 लैक्स की बाइक कौन लेता है, इतने में तो कार आ जाते हैं। सो व्हाट इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड बाइंग Ducati 959 कि एक 25 लैक्स की बाइक आपने क्यों ली? व्हाट इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट?
Simple. You don't think with mind, you think with heart. So बचपन से manifestation रहता है. Poster is a poster bike. So जब भी financial conditions support करती है, I think you should go ahead and buy your dream machine.
इट्स अ पोस्टर बाइक एंड ऑल्सो इट्स अ कॉप बाइक। आप कभी भी इसको रोड पे जाते हो तो कोई पुलिस वाले तो आपको रोकेंगे ही रोकेंगे।
That's mainly because of the full system aero exhaust system that is running. So उसके वजह से इसका साउंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा आता है। मतलब दूर से इट मींस आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन वन सिग्नल, दूसरे सिग्नल के ट्रैफिक पुलिस वाले अवेयर हो जाते हैं। इतना साउंड है इसका।
एंड लाइक यू मेंशन, इट्स अ पैशन आई कैन कंप्लीटली कोरिलेट, क्योंकि जब मैं भी इंजीनियरिंग में था इन माय फर्स्ट ईयर, मी एंड माय फ्रेंड यूज्ड टू गो आउट ऑफ द Ducati शोरूम एंड वॉच द बाइक राइट फ्रॉम द आउट, एंड लगता था कि भाई एक दिन ये बाइक हमारे पास होनी चाहिए। सो आई कैन कंप्लीटली कोरिलेट। सो आई थिंक सेकंड क्वेश्चन तुषार, दैट आपने इसके लिए कितना प्राइस पे किया ऑन रोड एंड हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर्स हैव यू ड्रिवन?
So this was bought around 6 years back, way back in 2019. So around 25 lakhs on road.
25 lakhs on
And I have ridden roughly 8,800 kilometers.
And it's a very bad thing to ask for a bike like Ducati. But what is the mileage you are getting in city and highway?
Mileage, I think I've never calculated mileage as such, but yeah, it's not decent. Basically on the highways where I'm not revving it, so you can't run this engine without revving. So that there goes the mileage. So around 12 to 15 I get in my riding style, and which is similar whether I'm in the highway or in the city, because I'm not running anytime. I've never ever ridden in high volume traffic.
Great. So I think in the next section, Tushar will be talking about what is one thing which he really loves about the bike. So let's go to the next section. So Tushar, the second most important question जो हमारे viewers आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि हर कोई का बाइक में ना या उसके कार में एक फेवरेट चीज़ होता है, मोस्ट वाव थिंग जो उनके लिए काफ़ी क्लोज होता है। सो व्हाट इज फ्यू ऑफ द थिंग्स व्हिच यू रियली लव अबाउट दिस बाइक? आई नो, आई एम श्योर दैट Ducati 959 को पॉइंट्स की जरूरत नहीं है कि एक यूजर को उसको क्या पसंद है, बट व्हाट यू लाइक इट मोस्ट अबाउट दिस?
First things first, whenever I get on the bike, it makes me fall in love once again.
And also I'd like to add here, आप तो इस बाइक से fall in love करते होंगे, रोड में जो पब्लिक हैं,
yeah,
so they also kind of get crazy about this bike.
Yes. By the time they are anticipating that what is coming because of the sound and the presence, everyone is anticipating what is gonna come from behind the traffic, which is making such a lovely sound. So yeah, whenever I get on the bike, this L-twin engine right beneath the tank is the gem, is the main thing. That's what connects you to the bike and you feel planted, and especially with the 8 levels of traction control and 3 levels of ABS, you can go either hooligan or you can stay planted on the road and learn to ride as well.
When you talk about the modes, I'm sure that there are 3 modes in this bike. Would you like to talk about it?
You have rain mode, which I prefer riding during the city because it makes the throttle input a little bit less, and even whenever you want to just pull the throttle, you are sure that the wheels won't spin or you won't do an accidental wheelie. And
traction control, I think.
No. There's this rain mode, and then there's sports mode. Sports mode is what I usually ride in the highways, and there's this race mode, which I've never tried.
Right. So what Tushar is pointing about, primarily three things which he love about this bike. The first is the road presence, of course. जब आप रोड पे जाते हो तो इट्स अ कॉफ फेवरेट, आपको पुलिस वाले लोग देखते हैं, आपको पब्लिक देखती है. सेकंड थिंग इज पॉइंटिंग अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ऑफ द बाइक. दिस बाइक इज फुली टेक लोडेड. आपके ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल में भी काफ़ी सारे फंक्शंस आ जाते हैं. आपके पास ABS में भी आपके काफ़ी मोड्स आ जाते हैं. यू कैन ड्राइव इन डिफरेंट मोड्स, लाइक इट्स अ रेन मोड, आपका वेट मोड हो गया, आपको स्पोर्ट्स मोड में जाना है. सो व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग अ राइड अराउंड द कॉर्नर्स, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अ हाई स्पीड मैन्यूवर, जो आपका ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल है, दैट really makes you feel very planted about the bike. And if you have any question for Tushar regarding this bike, आप कुछ भी अगर जानना चाहते हैं, then you can comment below. Next we'll be going into a very brutal section, जहाँ पे तुषार ये बात करेंगे कि इस बाइक की अच्छी चीज़ें तो उन्होंने बता दी, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें which is really very very dangerous about this bike and you should really keep in mind if you are planning to buy this bike. So Tushar, let's go to the next one. So तुषार, डुकाटी 959 एक ऐसी बाइक है जिसमें नेगेटिव्स तो बहुत मुश्किल से ही किसी को निकाल पाएंगे. बट if I ask you, because you have been using this bike over a quite period of time, that what are the few things which you don't like about this bike? अगर कोई खरीदना चाह रहा है, then he should be cautious about it.
See, first and foremost, the heating issue. There's something about this bike and something about Ducatis which everyone know, that they are a menace when it comes to heat management. I've seen videos online that you can make literally an omelette after 2 hours of riding. So yeah, the heat management is pretty bad. Abhi to winters hai, so this is the best time to ride this bike. Apart from that, I don't think so any other.
But I think some of the users of the Ducati Panigale have been repeatedly complaining about the vibration at the high speed when you're crossing 150 or 180. Then it's very difficult to look into the mirrors.
I would not classify it as vibrations. I would just say it is the character of this engine. That's what makes this engine what it is.
And I think this
if
bike,
you ask, inline 4s are smoother. Even I have an inline 3. It's smoother, but there's something about this L-twin which is you'll only understand when you'll ride it. It's just one connection.
Correct. It's notoriously noisy, and it's for a very specific reason. That it's a bike which is known for its rev and kind of the noise which makes on the road.
When you go back and see in your video, you'll realize that what you felt is not felt on the camera.
Correct. So Tushar, if I ask you one question, that अगर कोई Ducati 959 खरीदने की सोच रहा है, then what is probable maintenance cost and the service cost of this bike?
So every 8 to 10,000 kilometers, you need to shell out around 15 to 20,000 on a regular service. Apart from the engine oil and the brake fluids, if they change, the costs can significantly go higher. And every 50,000 kilometers, they have this Desmo service in which they open the engine and they do the service of the internals of the engine. So that costs around 50 to 60k.
50 to 60k. Great. So overall, मतलब आपको एक मोटा पेचेक चाहिए आपको इस बाइक को मेंटेन करने के लिए.
To own and run a Ducati, to own a Ducati is a separate, it's a different ball game, and to maintain a Ducati is a different ball game.
So that's one of the key takeaway, that if you're planning to buy Ducati, then it's just not about the on-road price which you pay for this bike. आपको इसका बाइक को आप मेंटेन कैसे करोगे, इसके सर्विस कॉस्ट को कैसे पे करोगे, फ्यूल, आई थिंक तुषार हैज राइटली इंडिकेटेड कि ऑलमोस्ट समझ लीजिए आप एक कार चला रहे हो, उसके हिसाब से आपको
कार से भी कम
प्रिपेयर्ड रहना पड़ेगा. एंड फाइनली वेरी ब्रूटल फीडबैक विच आई आस्क फ्रॉम तुषार इज दैट अगर मैं वापस से आपको एक बजट देता हूँ 25 लाख रुपीज इन योर बैंक अकाउंट और 30 लाख रुपीज इन योर बैंक अकाउंट, विल यू बाय Ducati 959 अगेन और यू विल बी कंसिडरिंग सम अदर बाइक?
So there are two aspects of it. If I have to buy a brand new bike, I might not consider a V4, but I would buy a super bike from Ducati. Going back to 848, that was my favorite, and the 996, if I'm not wrong, which is used in the Matrix movie.
Right.
I'm not a very big fan of the current gen V4 in terms of design. I like this one.
You like this one, great. And finally, a rating on a scale of 10.
10 on 10.
10 on 10. Oh, lovely. I think he's the first user who has given a 10 on 10 to any bike or a car. So from this, we can understand how much he is happy about Ducati 959. It's clearly a very passionate bike. And if you have any question, any queries to Tushar, you can post and comment below. और आप भी अपनी स्टोरी हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं या हमारे साथ कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, do subscribe the channel and stay connected. Have a great day. Thank you.